This is a brand new Bentley Flying Spur, and this owner has taken the precautions to protect theirself and the occupants of this vehicle when out on the road. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max. I'm going to give you a brief tour around the Thinkware U3000. This is the flagship model. It is a 4K on the front quality dash camera and a 2K quality rear dash camera. This is the best dash camera system we currently offer at John Cleese Car Audio, and it's the only one that I would have in this luxurious vehicle. I'm going to give you a brief tour around the exterior side of things. You want to come over this way. The dash camera sits in the front window. This gets a fantastic view of the road ahead. As soon as the car starts driving, this 4K camera is videoing everything going on in front of the vehicle. This camera has a 152-degree wide-angle lens, and it's the latest camera with the latest Sony CMOS sensors. It's the best quality. So this just gives you a bit of an exterior. It's quite neat and subtle and just sits itself there. Now, around the back of the vehicle, we have a rear camera also installed to give you coverage on the back of the vehicle. If anyone crashes into the back of you or any dodgy people tailgating you, this particular camera here is going to be able to capture everything going on at the back of the vehicle. Even if you're in a car park, you're parked up and someone's whacked into the back, this camera will record that. And that sits nicely up there, and actually from the front, it's very difficult to see that, and you can't actually see too much of it, so it's quite well disguised in the interior. So we're going to hop into the car now, and I'll just do a little bit more talking about it. We are now in the interior of this lovely Bentley. This is the Azure edition, really nicely spec'd on the inside, and yeah, absolute plush place to be. Now, the only thing that these vehicles, they don't come with, they don't have any dash cameras, so no protection for the driver or the vehicle while it's parked up or left unattended. So this particular customer has gone for the flagship Thinkware U3000 camera. As I mentioned, this is 4K on the front, 2K on the rear. You've got an easy to use phone application to download your footage. Say if you had an accident, you can get the footage off onto your phone within a couple minutes once you're familiar with the application. Now, you can even set these dash cameras up with additional batteries and Wi-Fi devices, so you could have long-term parking protection when leaving this vehicle in maybe an airport car park for a week to 2 weeks, and you could even have it set up with a Wi-Fi device that you can actually log into this camera remotely and check what is going on near your vehicle, or even get notifications if someone actually crashed into it. But as it's fitted today, it's not got any additional battery on this particular application. So as we turn the car on, that will kick the dash camera into gear. It's going to start recording, and it's not going to stop recording until you shut the car off and get out the vehicle, and then it will wait to feel some sort of impact. We've got this camera running in energy saving mode, so what happens is when this vehicle parks up, realistically you should get about a day's worth of protection on this mode. But if anyone is to crash into this vehicle while you are away from it, then the camera will flick on within a second, start recording and capture some evidence of whoever's just hit you, so you can go back and go and get them. Now, the dash camera itself, they come with a 2-year warranty as well. Batteries come with a year, and memory cards are generally 6 months on those kind of things. Now, that is pretty much all for this super brief video. We can install this camera product into all types of prestigious and luxurious vehicles. So if you've got a particular vehicle that you want to protect or protect yourself, then please get in contact and we can work out a solution for you. Thanks for watching this brief video from John Cleese. We'll see you again next time.